Practice set 1.4. Let us see. Solve the following simultaneous equations. First example is 2 by x minus 3 by y equal to 50. 8 by x plus 5 by y equal to 77. First you observe that is the given equation is linear or not. आपण पाहिलं सुरुवातीच्या पहिल्या एक्सरसाइज मध्ये. मग त्यानुसार सांगा आहे का हे लिनियर इक्वेशन? It is not a linear equation. Why? Here degree of the variable x, observe this in the equation, degree of x means power of x is minus 1 here. Degree of y is also minus 1. Here degree of the variables is minus 1, hence it is not a linear equation. Variable ची डिग्री मायनस 1 असल्यामुळे इट इज नॉट ए लिनियर इक्वेशन. आपली कंडिशन आहे की डिग्री काय असली पाहिजे? 1 असली पाहिजे, तरच ते लिनियर इक्वेशन होतं. each term containing variable, degree of each term containing variable is 1, then we say that it is a linear equation. So here is degree minus 1, so it is not a linear equation. You have to reduce it into the linear form by substituting specific value, putting the specific values and convert it into the linear form ax plus by equal to c, and then solve it by graphical method, Cramer's rules or elimination method. We can solve it by graphical method also, we can solve it by Cramer's rule also, we can solve it by elimination method also. So let us see how to solve these equations, how to reduce these equations. हे इक्वेशन्स कसे रिड्यूस करायचे ते आपण पाहू. We can write this equation as 2 into 1 by x, 3 into 1 by y equal to 15. Replace 1 by x by a and 1 by y by b. 1 by x, instead of 1 by x write a, instead of 1 by y write b, or substitute here b. 2, 1 by x is equal to a, therefore 2a equation becomes 3. 1 by y is equal to b, therefore it is 3b equal to 15. So we get equation, name it as 1 also. Then what is the second equation? 8 by x plus 5 by y equal to 77. We can write also as 8 into 1 by x, 5 into 1 by y equal to 77. Replace 1 by x by a. So here is 8a plus 5b is equal to 77. To get the solution, you solve these two simultaneous equations by elimination method. So you know very well how to solve these equations. Let us see again. To eliminate a, आपल्याला a eliminate करायचे या दोन इक्वेशन्स मधून, तर काय करायला पाहिजे? a ची व्हॅल्यू ही सेम आली पाहिजे. मग या ठिकाणी a ची जी टर्म आहे ती सेम कन्वर्ट करून घ्यायची. 8a इथं पण काय आलं पाहिजे? पहिल्या इक्वेशन मध्ये 8a. मग पहिल्या इक्वेशन मध्ये 8a येण्यासाठी काय करायचंय? मल्टिप्लाय विथ दिस 2a बाय 4. 2a ला 4 ने मल्टिप्लाय केलं तर 8a येते. सो मल्टिप्लाय इक्वेशन 1 by 4. We get 4 into 2a, 2 is term, 4 into 3b, 4 into 15 on both sides. 4 to the 8a minus 12b is equal to 60. This is equation 3. Subtracting equation 2 from 3. Subtracting equation 2 from 3. What is third equation you write here? 8a minus 12b equal to 60, and second equation is 8a plus 5b equal to 77. If you subtract this, the sign of changes here. सबट्रैक्ट केल्यानंतर काय होतंय, खालच्या याचे साइन चेंज होतात, प्लस 80 मायनस 80 कॅन्सल होते, मायनस 12b मायनस 5b मायनस 17b, 7 minus 0, 7 minus 6 is 1. Here is put the sign of greater number, minus 17, b equal to minus 17, you multiply, so इकडे आल्यानंतर divide, minus minus get cancel, 17 1 17, we get value of b is equal to 1. You substitute this value in any equation, substitute in any equation, put in equation 2, put b equal to 1 in equation 2. What is equation 2? 8a plus 5b is equal to 77. Substitute the value of b here. 8a plus 5 into 1 is equal to 77. 8a is equal to 77 plus 5, take this side, minus 5. 8a is equal to 72. So a is equal to 72 by 8. So 8 9s are 72. Value of a is 9. Then we get value of b and value of a. You have to find out the value of x and y. And we know that a is equal to 1 by x is equal to 9. So take this x this side, 9 this side, we get x is equal to 1 by 9, and b is equal to 1. We know that b is equal to 1 by y is equal to 1, so y is equal to 1. Value of